Hey guys, it's Akarsh, and today we'll be talking about LEGO Mindstorms EV3 and why I think that it's the best product for you or your kids if they're starting on robotics. So first, I'll just name the price to start it off easy. The price is about $350 the last time I checked on the LEGO store, but on the LEGO store, EV3 Mindstorms as the whole set is a retired product. They won't be manufacturing it anymore, and they won't be selling it, but they will be selling individual pieces, just like the Mind. That you can buy it for like, I don't know, 30 something dollars. I haven't checked those products, but you can buy those separately, but you can't buy the full set. But you can buy the set anywhere, like on eBay or anything. It's pretty easy to find, and it might be like $320, which will be a little cheaper than what the Lego store sells it for. Sorry, but honestly, you guys might be thinking that $350, that's like a pretty large amount if you're looking at like Lego sets and everything, because $350, that's a lot. But in my opinion, it's a pretty good steal, because if you look at other big robotics franchises such as Vex or any other robotics items that you use, those cost like $2,000, and that's just for the basic set, like the basic set where you can just build like one robot or something. And it doesn't include much. I mean, it has the basic pieces, it has the Mind, it has a few basic pieces to build your robot with, but it doesn't have a lot of the things that you can explore your robots with, or you can really use your creativity in. But the thing that I find great about Mindstorm is that it's $350. Yeah, that might be a little too expensive if you look at like normal Lego sets, but this is a robotic set, so I'll let it get away with that. And originally, Mindstorms was a product that was not part of the Lego store. It was not part of Lego, actually. It was just its own thing. So what Lego did is it took that product and it combined it with Lego Technic pieces to make Lego Mindstorms. So what you can do is you can just buy the Lego Mindstorms normal, like the beginner set, which I have, and then you could just add Lego Technic pieces onto it to build more things and to explore and use your creativity on it. And so talking about that, the basic parts that you get, I have a box right here with all the Lego Mindstorm stuff. The basic parts that you get are the main mind of the Mindstorms. It's right here. You get a few motors. You get these two motors, which are typically used as the drive chain. You get this motor, which you can use to like move stuff or move an arm or something. You get this touch sensor motor. Basically, you touch it and it does something. It just sends a signal to the main robot. And there's also another one that I don't have on me right now, but it's a color sensor. Basically, it'll detect the color and it'll tell you what color it is. Just don't know why I have it on. Don't have it on me right now. It might be in my other Legos. But yeah, and then I think there might be a little more parts, but then there are these cables which fit into the Mind and the sensors right here. There's shorter versions of them and there are longer versions of them. It just depends on what you require at the moment. But those are all of the pieces that you get with the Lego set itself. And I just want to talk a little bit more about why it's so great, because while I was a beginner, I was venturing through all of this stuff, like me being a person who's done DI, Destination Imagination, Explora Vision. I've played with Lego since I was like 3. So I tried Lego Robotics and I started with Lego Mindstorm. And this was a thing that was completely new to me because I had never done robotics in my life. And I didn't really have that many Technic sets either. So I didn't really know what I was doing. And while scrolling through all the other things that people made, I saw that there were like guitars that people made, there were snakes. Like, there's a huge branch of things that you can make just out of this basic set. And I think that you can't do that with any other product that's out there, which is not Lego Mindstorm. You can't do that with Vex. You can't do that with, I don't know what other stuff there is. You can't do it with that. You can Lego Mindstorms is just a different thing. It's robotics, but it's just something completely different. It sets itself apart from all the other robotics products. And the coding is fairly easy. It's block coding. If you've done Scratch, this would be a little step above from that, but it won't be that complicated. And the building is just pretty easy. I can just show you, like, there are pieces that I built like this. It's just Lego Technic. You just snap the pieces together and they just get out. And these things, the sensors also have Lego Technic parts so that you can just like connect them, which is kind of obvious. I just want to show it to you guys. And honestly though, if you really want to like be professional, if you want to do competitions, then yeah, Vex should maybe be better because they have their own competitions and stuff. But if you're just doing this to learn more about robotics and go a step ahead and try to get hardware and software into one set, Lego Mindstorms would be the best product for you. And honestly, if you want, you can just go to my other videos. The next video that we have is going to be how to build your first Lego Mindstorms code for this little motor. So we're going to be building the code to make this move, and yeah, that's what we will be discovering next video. So I'll see you guys later.